What is up, everybody? So, today it was the same day, 15th of January, but now it is 16th because I cannot sleep at night. I I want to like practice things a bit more. Okay, so what I am trying to I have to make a decision, and that decision is that whether I should trade London session or whether I should trade New York session. Why why do I even want to make this decision is because, see, all of the losses, all of the losing streak which I had previously, that happened due to lack of volume. Lack of volume is like missing my trades. All of this losing streak which happened, this was the win which I had today. All of this losing streak happened because of volume, bad execution. Not much because of volume, but yeah, man, there was like this whole week there was no volume in London sessions. Like if I see London opens at 1 p.m., right? So this was Monday, and one big reason why there is no volume in London session nowadays is because, see, there is a lot of volume in the Asian session. Like on Monday when I started to like decided to trade the pre-London, what I saw that price had already moved 800 pips during the previous Asian session. Now, if the price has already moved 800 pips during the Asian session, then there is like a very low chance of price moving in London session, and that's what happened. So at this was the pre-London time, this 11 a.m. This was the pre-London time, and then yeah, I took a trade over here. I did not exit, so that went in loss, and yeah, and this was the time when London session opened. Okay, so on this day there was some volume during the London open. Price went and pushed somewhat. Okay, so price went and it pushed how many pips? Okay, so there was some volume. The 160 pips movement happened during this day. Yeah, but most of the times there is no volume. Like on Monday I messed up. I know that on Monday I had a good trade. I was in a good trade. I got around a floating profit of $150 as well, but I could not book profit, so that ended up being a loss. So yeah, so that was Monday. Now if I see Tuesday, see, there is not much volume. London opens at 1 p.m. and then okay, so there was volume on Tuesday as well. Yeah, but there was not good volume, like the type of volume I want. What's that, bro? What type of volume do I want? See, what I'm trying to say is that there is not like there are no clean moves in London and pre-London. Or what I am missing is that I am trading the pre-London more. I am trading the pre-London session more. So what happens basically is that I take a trade, I exit at a loss before London session opens. So yeah, that's the problem. So yes, this was the trade which happened on Tuesday. I I remember this trade. This trade hit my SL first, and then it went and hit my TP. And then on Wednesday, what happened? Wednesday, uh, Wednesday. This was Wednesday, right? And this was a pre-London. Price went up. Price went up, and this was the London session opening. So yeah, it went. Price gave us a small move in the London session, and then did nothing. It just consolidated the rest of the day. So yeah, bro, this was yeah. So yes, this is what happened. See, I could not execute a sell over here because, see, if this candle closed, there was another support over here, and then price went, it closed over here, then price had already moved, so that wasn't a good trade. On Thursday, what happened? Today was Thursday, right? So today as well there was not much volume in the London Open. Today there was absolutely no volume, bro. Just see this shit. Okay, so this was Thursday, and over here, if you guys see that there's not much volume in on Thursday as well. This is 11 a.m. and then this was a pre-London, and all of this shit which happened over here. this was all consolidation. Nothing happened over here. Like literally nothing happened. Where is that tool, bro, which I want? Yeah, this tool. Like absolutely nothing happened all the way over here. Price started to, this was the pre-London, and then London session opened. This was the opening of the London session. Nothing happened over here. Like there was no move over here. If I had traded this day, that would be a loss. Because see, what would I have done over here? I would have taken a buy on this support formation. I could have taken a buy, see, because there was already uh, there was what the hell is happening. Okay, so there was already an uptrend going on. There was a support formed in an uptrend, plus there was uh sorry, over here, right? Yeah, so there's an uptrend going on, there was a support formation, there was clean range for price to move up. It would have definitely moved up, but because of all of this consolidations, I would have like literally messed up. So yeah, volume is not coming in London, and in whereas in New York there is clean volume every time whenever I trade New York, or whenever I just see the price movements during the New York session, there is clean volume coming in. And if you see over here, see, because my strategy only works in times of volume, and plus if you see over here the forex market hours, the the high, like the trading volume, which is at its peak, is around this time. It's around just right after New York session opens. So yeah, so I want to trade in this zone. I don't want to trade in London zone. See, this is the data which is showing me the volume. This is so I have to like follow this data, and I have to like act rationally and trade in times when there's high volume. See, because see, my trades are all based off volumes, because if there is no volume, most of my setups don't work. And basically that happens with everyone, whoever is trading, they need volume to trade, and they need clean price movements. So that is why I am thinking of shifting to New York session. So yeah, uh, I'm not thinking to shift to the New York session. I have already shifted to the New York session. Let's trade New York session for a bit and then see what happens. How is price moving in New York? Because in December, in January, basically at the end of November, see, there were trades, there were good setups. Price also moved in my direction, and during the London session. But one major thing why I am deciding to move to the New York sessions is because, see, during pre-London and London, I have to like literally force myself to wake up, because that's my peak deep sleep time. I sleep at around 6 a.m. in the morning, and because I have to study, I have to do other things as well. I have to like do my workouts and everything. Plus, I am a night person. I like function best when it's like when I am like working during the night. So that is why I have decided to just trade New York session, because New York session would enable me to like be completely focused, like be completely awake. There will be no disturbance of my sleep patterns during New York session. I am definitely awake at the time when New York session opens, and plus like New York session has a lot of volume, so that's why I have decided to shift to New York sessions only from now on. So yeah, today that was a really good day. I was just journaling my trades, and I was journaling what did I do correct today. See, today there was not something very extraordinary. What I did, this candle took support from the zone. As soon as this candle started to break the high of this candle, I just entered. That was it, with the stop loss of this current candle's low. That was it. That was the only analysis I had. But because there was volume, price went and it pushed in my direction. This was not the setup that I was even looking for. This was the setup which I was looking for in the first place. Because see, what happened? This was a support zone, right? New York opened at around 6 p.m. exactly, and I knew that if I had seen, like, if you see the overall picture, price was already moving down, right? So what happened basically, that this support formed, and 15-minute candle went and closed below that support zone. So all I wanted was that the next 15-minute candle would wake up, and as soon as it starts to break the high of the previous 15-minute candle, I would enter. And during this, the 30-minute candle was also opened. Like that was all obviously opened, and then this 50-minute candle was the second half of that 30-minute candle. Considering volume, I was expecting price to move on, but what happened is that price went so violently that I missed my entry over here, and then I waited this whole move, and then I waited this whole move, and then I saw this whole move as clean range for price to take rejection from the support area, and then I changed my bias, and then I took a completely different trade. So that's what happened today, but things worked out because there was a good volume and prices were moving cleanly. So yeah, man, I'm just like journaling things, and over here, if you guys see my account, I'm down 4.7%. So yeah, bro, let's see whether if I can like revive this account. I want to like, first my target is to just like break even this account, take this account out from drawdown, and then we will see that whether we make this, whether we pass the phase 1 of this account or not. Man, this account has taught me a lot. I had started this account on 3rd of November, and today is 16th of January 2026. Like, you know what, because my risk management is in place, I am still alive in this account. Because my risk management is in place, I'm not like over trading. I am disciplined. I don't trade more than 2 trades a day. I don't take more than 2 trades a day, and my losses are like, my biggest loss is around my average loss is $45. My average win is $120, and what's my biggest loss? My biggest loss is $117. It's 2%, and that $17 was some spread and something, but it's like around 2.2 to 2.5%. It's my biggest loss. So because of my risk management, I am like actually alive in this account. So yeah, you know what, probability and the data says that like on average only a funding account lasts only 6 to 7 days, and after that people blow their account. One thing which is good is that I'm still alive in this account. I haven't blown it yet. After all of these losses, still I am like alive in this account, and I haven't blown it yet. See, November was a very good month. I traded London session all of this month as well, but yeah, there were good clean moves during the London session. Like, see, man, should I move to New York or should I not move to New York? That's a very valid question. I think I should move to New York. Maybe. Or maybe not. I think I should definitely move to New York, because that's where my brain functions the best, and there's enough volume during that day as well, during that time of the day as well. So yeah, man, this was a very long rant, and I'm gonna watch this once I become profitable and start earning good payouts from the firms, and actually like make a difference in my life from this trading shit. So yeah, bro, it's 2:53 a.m. at night, 16th of January 2026. Everybody's sleeping, but I'm working over here, journaling my trades and trying to figure out what's best for me. So yeah, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. If I take a trade tomorrow, then I'll upload a trade recap. Tomorrow's Friday. If I spot a good setup, I would definitely take it. And if the stop loss would be like small, then I would definitely take that setup. Most probably I'm just gonna trade New York tomorrow as well. I'm not gonna trade London tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for that. If you guys are actually listening to this rant, so yeah, man, this is the process. This is the process which you have to go through, and you have to enjoy this process as well. Today I am like really motivated because of this win, but all of those past days when I was like, there were consecutive losses, I was just going with discipline. I had zero motivation to trade. I had zero motivation to even sit at the charts, but I was just sitting at the charts because of discipline. Yeah, and see, if I would not have traded today, I would not have like won this trade as well. So you have to keep going. You have to do it with consistency, and definitely results will come. So yeah, bro, bro, bro. Let's just end this video right over here. Man, I love this guy. I love this guy, bro. You know what? I'm like thinking to just translate my like just change my language and start talking in Urdu, because I have to like target audience based in India and Pakistan. Earlier, I had plans to like target audience from uh, the US and the UK and all of that West. I had plans to target that audience, but now what I have decided is that no, I'm just gonna target uh, the subcontinent. I like actually want to grow this YouTube channel and like show people these videos which I had made in my struggling times. Show people that how a trader is actually built. Yeah. So thanks for the rant. Thanks for listening to that rant. I know nobody listens to these videos as well. See, there are absolutely no views on my videos. If I show you guys, yeah, there's absolutely no views on my videos as well. Where is my video? Yeah, over here. You know what? Today I got a subscriber. I got a subscriber today as well. So today things were really good. See, there are absolutely no views, 7 views, 6 views, 1 views, 4 views, no views on this trade. Uh, yeah. See over here, I have written as well good trade, but no volatility. There was no volume. So yeah, you know what? I have to like backtest some New York sessions as well. So that these backtesting sessions are gonna come again as well. I have to like backtest and simulate some setups on the New York session. So I have decided to like buy a backtesting software, and then I will definitely upload videos and backtest my strategy on that as well. So yeah, I'm done for the day. Made 2-3 videos today, and why am I even talking so much? So let's just end this video. uh, let's just see my MT5 statement once, because I really want to like, man, uh, see, these are my wins. And if I just like, what the hell is happening over here, bro? Yeah, man, January was a very bad month for most of the traders. See these losses, and see so small wins. So yeah, January was a very bad month for many traders like which I follow. TJR also lost around $220K this month. Raja Banks is also in drawdown. I am also in drawdown. Like my drawdown means nothing, because I am losing $100, $50. That means nothing. That these are absolutely peanuts, and that's also on a funding account. So yeah, but those guys are actually losing a lot. Yeah, but they're gonna make a lot as well. So that's part of the process, bro. That's like that's normal in trading. Okay, so let's just end this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.